Let us consider another problem of GATE that is of GATE 2006, and this problem is of 2 marks, and the topic is digital communication. In the following figure, the minimum value of the constant C, which is to be added to y1t such that y1t and yt2 are different, is, and these are block diagram given here, and you can notice here that we have to find out that how much C is to be added to y1t to make y2t different than y1t, and these are the 4 options given here. If we try to see this block diagram, we observe that this block is for the quantizer. This says quantizer Q having L levels and step size at delta, and it says the dynamic range of the signal is from -V to V, and the input dynamic range is input ranges from -V/2 to V/2. That means this input can be applied safely to this quantizer, and this y1t is the output, and there is a C input which is to be added through this block, and the output from here goes to second quantizer which is of the same type, and y2t is the output to this second quantizer. Okay, then what we observe here is that this quantizer 1, depending upon the input applied, will get some output y1t, and that output y1t would be the quantized value and approximated quantized value, and that would be y1t. Now the C is under some external voltage which is added and which is applied to second quantizer. Unless the output at this adder is different by at least delta by 2, that means step size. So y1t plus delta by 2, if it is added here, then this output here will make yt2 different from the y1t. Okay, so that is the C, which is the voltage. So now we can see how it is solved here. That input signal range is from -V/2 to V/2. Step size given is delta. Levels are L. Depending on the input quantization, first output will be y1t. The output of the first quantizer will be output y1t, and voltage C is added and put as input to the quantizer 2 if minimum C is more than delta by 2, because delta by 2, delta is the step size, and when the input is more than delta by 2 in voltage, then next level will come. So that is why it is more than delta by 2, then only y2 will be different. So here we observe that the option B given here, that is delta by 2. So at least delta by 2 input needs to be applied here at C, so that y1t and ytt are different. Thank you.